Dear Mom and Dad, every 15 minutes somebody in the United States dies from an alcohol-related traffic collision, and today I died. I never got a chance to tell you that I love you, and I was never able to tell you how much I appreciate everything you do. You were there when I needed you the most. Mom, you fixed my hair for the dances and made me look pretty when I was my ugliest. You gave me hope after every heartbreak I had, and we always went shopping when we were sad. Even though we fought, you were always the first to explain and apologize. Thank you for being in my life. Dad, even though you're my stepfather, I love you way more than my real dad. You were there to love and protect me and my mom. You took me in your arms and treated me like your own. When I needed advice, you were there. When I was sad, you let out a huge joke and gave me hugs. Even when I thought I needed a father figure in my life and they let me down, you never did. Every girl needs a father in her life. My daddy, thank you for being mine. Mom and Dad, I never told you how much I appreciate the hugs and the compliments, the kisses and bedtime stories about my Prince Charming and me. I wish all of it. I love the presents, but your love meant way more to me. Thank you for everything you did. From showing up and acting in competitions to loving me when I made mistakes and forgiving me. I love you, Mom and Dad. I'm so sorry I did not say that.